Up and weave, up and weave. Sky's gonna make me eat my weave.
Hello everyone, me and this person over here
Hello.
is gonna start a gaming channel, and we're also gonna start a series of New Super Mario Bros. You ready?
Yes, we are.
Are you ready to party? We're too close to the TV. Let's get.
Am I player one?
No.
I'm not even connected.
Yeah, you are. You connected.
Never mind.
Press 2 for goddamn sake. Up and weave. Okay. There you go. There you go. Okay. Wait. Okay. I swear if I erase it. Oh. We're gonna need to start a new world. Hold on a second. Hold on. Okay, there you go. We're gonna start a new world. Now press this. Let's start the game stuff.
Yeah, okay.
Imagine, remember it a little late. Yada 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 yada. Damn, that bitch gets a lot of presents. No fair. She gets more presents than me. What kind of cake is that? It looks like there's pubes all over it. Literally. Hey Steph, do you see that big brown fat one? In
Where?
saw?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's you.
Oh, thank you very much.
And I'm the floating spaceship.
Okay.
Yeah, let's come through here, dog. Steph, you know you could have skipped through it.
I can't? Oh, you can.
Never mind. Never mind. You whore. Don't give me that look. Steph, it's your great grandpa.
Okay, let's do this.
Why are you going to the... No.
Here?
Yes! No shit. Well, no, we're gonna go to World 5.
Wait. Okay, let's do this.
Okay, so I'm the yellow Toad and she's the Mario.
I'm Luigi.
No, I want it. Oh yeah.
Okay.
Give up. It's no, you're not picking me up and using me. You're not picking me up and using me. Like go down to the wisdom hole. Go down to Narnia.
Are you not coming?
I'm waiting here.
No, I'm just waiting.
Whoops.
Okay.
Yo!
Wait.
You don't even have flying powers to get them. So yeah. No. Get the other ones. No.
I can't reach them.
Damn it.
Range.
Range.
Range. Cool.
No.
Yeah, let's kill them.
No, I'm gonna win. No. More.
Yes.
I'm gonna get it.
Lisa, don't.
Get the other one. Damn it.
Lisa, seriously, stop. Woman.
Lol. I'm sorry, but I wanted you to get it.
Uh-huh.
Get this one. Ready? No! Monster!
Lisa, stop.
Get it. Finally. So get the thing. Yay! Steph, you're really weird. got it. Sucka. Stuff you jealous?
Mm-hmm. We're awesome.
We win it. We win it. Stop!
Leave.
No.
Imagine if this wasn't recording.
What?
Imagine if this wasn't recording.
Gordon?
Recording.
Oh. You had to see that. Okay, good. Make sure. Dad, let's go to Narnia.
What's your dog?
Here.
Whoa.
No!
Whoops. Whoops.
Get
No, let
down.
me get that.
I want my flying thing. Hey, hey. Seth,
We.
did you ever watch Narnia? Wait, I want to get that. Get over there. Ah!
Hey, you're rude.
No! Thank you.
What is it? What is that for?
It's pow. It makes things go boom boom.
Boom boom. Did I just screw myself over?
Yeah.
Lisa, I'm serious. Did I?
No!
Lisa,
Seth.
did I screw myself over?
No. Steph, get these two.
Wait, I'm gonna die.
I'm surrounded by them. Get your that Mario
What?
ass. Get
No.
that one. Get that one. I don't want it.
This?
Yeah. Go up there. Okay. Get in. Huh? Okay, let me just get the star thing. No worries. Never mind. Worries. Heh. Got it.
What is this?
Steph, get that thing.
What?
That one, yeah. Another one. No, go on it. I want to get the point.
How do I?
Steph, go under it. Go in the Narnia hole. Screw
I'm
you!
going in the Narnia hole.
Says you want a star thing?
Yeah.
Like star power. It's under here. No, go on top of there. Wait, go up here. Go on top of there. No, stand right on top of it. Don't kiss me. Yeah, here's the way.
Whoa, I almost died. You almost like died.
There's a thing up there.
What thing?
This thing. Here, come here. Steph, come here. Up here. Somewhere. I don't know. Can you find it? Did you see it? I saw it. Wasn't
Wait,
it there?
what's supposed to be here?
The thing. Whatever.
I'm lost. I don't even know where I am. I'm right here.
I don't know where I am.
Should I go down here?
I don't know where I am. Eh. Steph. Oh, I'm doing PAL. I'm doing PAL. I'm doing PAL. I'm doing PAL.
Posting.
Yeah, go plus.
No, this isn't fair.
It is fair.
I lost my power. I can get it too.
I forgot about the noodles. Fail.
Ugh. No, don't. We're in. Oh,
I'm just turning on the chai. God dang it. Steph, lost your power. Steph, move it. Move it down so I can get it. Down. More down. No, this other one. Down. Yay.
wait, let me get it.
Ow, rude.
Sorry.
Woo. Steph.
Run to a tank. Run, no.
Okay.
Crap.
Well, Got to make me lose my hair.
Level 1 has been completed.
You mean level 2?
Oh, this was level 2?
Yeah.
Since when?
Since always.
Oh, okay. Level 2 has been completed. On to level 3. No?
Who's nasty? Pardon me.
Pardon me.
Is this a Yoshi one?
Is it? I want it.
I want it. No. Right. Yeah, it is.
It is? Is there 2?
Yeah. I'm getting the yellow one. You
Huh.
get the green.
Yeah. That's the one I want. It's the best one.
No, it's the old one.
No, it's the best freaking one.
See, that's one line. This one's mine. Move! Okay, okay. Let me
Yeah.
collect all the apples. Let me collect all the apples.
Why can't I?
Because now you can. Since I collected, don't ruin the thing. Because we need to get all the apples so we can get points.
What if I don't want no eggs?
Do you want to power up?
Yeah.
Like something special? Then let me collect all the apples.
Okay. How about we just say that I'm you? Oh, did you see that, people?
Sorry.
No, Lisa, come here. Oh, cake.
Get it.
Yes. That's right.
You call your thing called cake? That's racist.
No, I'm calling this jumping.
There's also blue one.
Lisa, come here. Lisa, it better not jump off. It better not jump off.
Get it! Oh. Hello?
I'm done. I'm done.
Fine, I'll get you.
Lisa!
What, do you want me to take you? Steph, it's a puppy. It made a puppy thingy. Wait. Sorry.
Oh,
You
why?
want? Steph, I think that there's one up there.
The best one.
No, it's not up there.
Oh, I'll use the power up.
Wait, and there's a secret place. Over here. Oh! Steph, go, don't die. There's one over there on that square thingy. Bob.
Lisa.
Yes? Yes?
What should
You
we...
have to defeat this level party fast.
Oh, I can't get that.
I can get it. There you go. Okay, run. Get off!
I'm getting up.
Okay, pop that one. Let me get
Can I-
two!
Oh, I want the big one.
Steph, I ruined it.
Why?
The trick.
How?
No! Here. Come here.
Okay. No, rude!
Lol, cat.
Lolcat.
No.
Lolcat.
No one wants her.
I can't even get up there. Oh well, thanks, Lisa.
Rude. Steph, we can do the slide. Steph, why don't you eat the apples?
I didn't.
Yeah, you did.
I didn't stick my tongue out.
Yeah, you did.
I did?
Yes.
How do we even stick out a tongue? Oh, like this?
So stupid. You ruined it. No, come here.
Six and more.
Steph, I want to get the thing.
Oh my gosh. If you wanna get me, just take it and leave it go. Give me done. Oh snap.
Steph,
We
go
gonna
kill him.
die.
Go kill it.
No, I can't. I don't even have my person. That fell freaking off.
Wait, I want to get it.
Ooh, I gotta.
Steph! Wait.
Okay.
Wait. There you go.
And let's do a running start. Oh, rude! Oh, that's so rude. I'm done.
Okay, guys, that's all we have for today. Thinking about